Hey guys, I just wanted to give you a quick tour of our Disneyland Hotel room. We have a premium room with 2 queens, but as soon as you walk into the right, you have a counter with a coffee maker with Joffrey's coffee, little mirror. And then right in here is a closet with a big safe that can fit a big, I would say a 15-inch laptop, which is nice. And then as you come into the bathroom, you have a mirror on the door. You have a decent sized bathroom, nice granite tops. I like the little Mickey hand holding the light. Also, you have it on the handles for the faucet and on the handle for the bathroom. So I really like that. So, but it is just your basic bathroom. It's nothing fancy, I would say. They do give you these H2O shower, body wash, body lotion, a lot of different things that Disneyland doesn't do really, unless you stay at a deluxe resort, which I would consider this a deluxe. I think we paid around $500 a night. Then as you come into the room, you have this light mirror. I do like this. I don't think they do this in Disney World. The hotel manager left us a note and leaves everybody a note, you know, wondering about their stay. So I think that's a really cool aspect that we really don't get very often. But as you come in, I like these pillows that they have on here. A dream is a wish your heart makes. And then also we have when you're fast asleep. And then I like the headboards. This is really cool. And then if you turn on the Tinkerbell, it's a Tinkerbell switch and it plays a little melody and the lights turn on, which is very nice. Gives a nice little aspect. But the room is mostly clean. I did wipe the top of a couple pictures. I got a little bit of dust. But everything else, well, I wanted to give you guys a true review. Everything else is pretty clean. Just a little bit of dust on top of the pictures, and then we probably won't be able to see, but it's a nice view. You can see the pool. We're on the 7th floor, but a great view. It's gonna be hard to see, but overall of the room and walking into Disneyland Resort, you know, we're super excited. I think
awesome customer service.
Yeah, we had Lisa.
Shout out to Lisa from Norco, California. I read her name tag.
Yeah.
She was really great. She gave us little buttons, of course.
Yeah, so it's our anniversary, me and Sarah's. And then one of our friends is coming to visit that I haven't seen in about 6 years. So she made him a nice 3rd wheel pin.
Nice. Nice
but
touch.
Overall, so far so good. I love the classic Disney, you know, resort so far.
Yeah, it was definitely like, you get that magical feeling. Plus I found out they have Dole Whips here, like in 2 different locations. It's the only resort at Disneyland with Dole Whips. So I'm really excited about that. I didn't even know that, and yeah, that just made my day.